everyone, yeah, today I and my sister have blue bean everyone. We have blue bean, we have I and also milk to show you guys about how to make blue bean dessert everyone. So if you guys want to see clear about how to cook this dessert, so continue to watch our video. We clean our blue bean. Then we start to boil it until our blue bean already cooked. It's already cooked. So now we make sugar sauce. Add water. Then add our sugar. We continue to cook until our sugar become liquid with water. Add lemon to be more yummy of our sugar sauce. So now it's the time to eat. Add ice. And then add our milk. For the last, we add our sugar sauce like this. So now our dessert is already made and mix it. It looks like so yummy, everyone. It's really sweet and yummy too. It's really yummy, everyone. Thank you everybody for watching our video. Goodbye.